Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration. All masonry structures at one point in their life are going to stain. We're going to talk about what those stains are, how they can affect your health, and most importantly, how we can get rid of them. So talk a little bit about the stains themselves. Know that you're not going to get any type of real staining without two things: shade and water. Shade and water are going to carry these elements that are going to allow algae and mold and things like this that are going to build up on the structure itself. We're going to see a lot of earthly products, so as far as dirt, air, pollution, things like that, that are going to stain the brick, but excessive water runoff is going to be water sprinklers and things like that are going to cause the most amount of damage on your brick. How to identify and fix stains? One of the easiest ways is to grab a broom and swipe the wall. If that doesn't work, take a glove, put it on your hand and wipe it off. If it easily falls off, it's just excessive moisture. If it doesn't, this is going to create the phenomenon that we know is called spalling. That's when the brick themselves actually go bad. The moisture gets between the brick, they freeze, thaw, and the face will actually pop off, making the brick needing to be replaced. So letting these things continue to go on, we know one thing, that water is getting through the masonry brick. Water is getting through the mortar joints. We don't know what it looks like behind the wall. The longer you leave these stains and residues, you know you're risking the air quality and the mold inside of your home. In conclusion, most stains aren't a big deal if they're taken care of. If it's something that you can't get off, make sure you give us a call and we will come out and properly diagnose this before it's too late and we got to take the wall down, or it's even worse, it becomes a health condition. So give us a call today at 586-868-3234.